Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Shopify versus Squarespace versus Etsy. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. To get into e-commerce, you'll need an online platform to host your products. So in this video, I am going to compare three very different solutions: Shopify, Etsy, and Squarespace. Shopify is used to build a scalable online store with access to a wide range of e commerce features. Squarespace is used to showcase lots of imagery in the best possible light, and if beautiful web design and customization freedom is your priority. While Etsy, on the other hand, is used to sell handmade items, physical or digital, and want to keep your business simple. Etsy is perfect for side hustles or testing a market's potential. Now we'll discuss first Shopify's feature. Shopify is easily the most feature-rich and scalable e-commerce platform of the three solutions. It provides a full-fledged online store, enabling you to create product pages and catalogs, manage your inventory and orders, and run ad campaigns on social media like Facebook and Instagram from the marketing section of your Shopify dashboard. So here is a summary of Shopify's feature. It has a built-in SEO tool. So for example, you can edit the meta tags, alt text for images, meta description, and URLs of your website and product pages. It also has an app store. You can expand the functionality of your Shopify store with thousands of integrations and widgets, easily accessible through its app market. In terms of commerce, in addition to selling items online, you can also sell digital and physical goods on your Shopify store. Display product image zoom for a more detailed view of items. Display related products on product pages, manage your inventory and orders, and more. Connect your POS systems to your Shopify store to combine retail and online selling. It has multi-channel selling via YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Google Marketplace from the convenience of your Shopify dashboard. It can also sell abroad with multi-currency support, and you can build a blog on your Shopify website, send abandoned cart, upsell and welcome emails, and create targeted ads on Google and social media like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. You can also publish banners and promotions, insert or embed promotional videos into product descriptions, blog posts, and web pages. You can also easily manage your inventory, orders, fulfillment, returns, and refunds from one dashboard. To help with this, you can build custom automations to reduce the hassle of repetitive workflows. Lastly is the analytics. You can receive contextual insights into trends and performance with advanced reporting features. Now let's go to Etsy. Now, Etsy is an online marketplace for unique and handcrafted items. It provides sellers with an intuitive dashboard where they can easily create and sell products. It's simple to construct an Etsy store by creating an Etsy account and adding your shop name, profile picture, bio, and product listings. So here are the features of Etsy. So, in terms of Etsy's marketplace, it has an existing audience searching for products you can tap into. You can also optimize your Etsy store's SEO in two ways. So, Etsy SEO, which refers to searches on Etsy.com, and Google SEO for Google searches. You can also run ads to give your products greater visibility on the Etsy marketplace and offsite ads on Google, Bing, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. You can also create sales and discounts and send automated coupons via email to thank customers for purchasing or when an item is abandoned in their cart. You can also share new listings, reviews, sales, and etc. on social media from the convenience of your Etsy dashboard. In terms of product management, You can create product listings by filling out the new listing form, uploading product photos and videos, tagging the necessary product categories, and publishing easily. In Etsy, you can review your store's visits and engagement over time, which listings perform the best, and which ad campaigns won you the most revenue. You can also integrate Etsy with email marketing, social media solutions, or apps to improve your Etsy SEO. You can also integrate with POs and inventory management tools if you have a physical inventory. Now, the Etsy pattern lets you create your own website with various business management tools. But please note, your pattern is not separate from your Etsy store. Now, let's go ahead to the last platform, which is Squarespace. Squarespace is a website builder. It is often preferred by creatives thanks to its high quality, contemporary templates designed to showcase work such as photography, graphic design, art, and etc. Squarespace is much more than this. It aims to offer everything you need to create and manage a website built in, therefore, relies on fewer apps and integrations. Unfortunately, this means it isn't as flexible, but it ensures new merchants benefit from a robust set of web building tools without investing time and money into other plugins. Now, here are the features of Squarespace. In terms of SEO tools, you can build your own blog, edit meta tags and descriptions, create clean URLs, automatically generate sitemaps and product categories, add image file names and alt tags. In terms of market, you can sell on social media, create mailing lists, banners, and promotions, review marketing analytics, and create promotional videos in the Squarespace Video Studio app. You can also sell physical and digital goods, subscriptions, and memberships, and manage your orders and inventory. You can apply limited availability labels to products with low stock, display related products on your product pages, and display product image zoom when customers hover over product pictures. In terms of store management, you can manage your orders, customer order notifications, shipping and fulfillment settings, customer profiles, taxes, and payment options in one place. And that's it for comparing Shopify, Etsy, and Squarespace. If you're selling handmade items and don't want the hassle of running a complex online store, check out Etsy. However, suppose you're looking to create a pristine website, you'll get better value for money with one of Squarespace's cheaper plans than settling for Etsy pattern. But for serious online merchants invested in scaling their online store for maximum revenue, Shopify has the most to offer. So, among the three platforms that we talked about in this video, which one do you think fits you? If you have questions, let us know in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!